let's go across to Sharad Dubey to find out what features in his list. Hi Sharad, good afternoon. What are you tracking?
Good afternoon, Avneet. The list is filled with earnings stocks, and the first one I'll pick up is Varun Beverages. The stock is up more than 7% today after it registered a good set of quarterly numbers with the revenues rising by almost 55%. And also we saw strong volume growth, coming in at almost 81%. This is based on account of acquisition seen in the south and the western markets. However, the company did mention in its press release that it has deferred the enabling provision for a QIP issue. Up next is Aurobindo Pharma, which is up almost 6.6% after it reported a set of quarterly numbers where the US formulations revenue rose by as high as 22% and the European formulations rose by 14%. It was an operationally stable quarter with revenue also rising by almost 12%, and there was a consolidation seen in Spectrum and Apcotex markets in the US. Up next is Trent, which is up almost 12.8% after it came out with a set of strong quarterly numbers when the same store sales growth rose by almost 10.5%. That is higher than its peers like TCNS Clothing and Pantaloon, whose SSG growth was there between 3 to 7%. Even India's impact was seen. That's where the margins were impacted. And the last stock of the day is Symphony. The stock is up almost 9%, seeing its biggest intraday jump since March 2008 after it came out with the strong quarterly numbers, and the revenues rose by almost 20% and the margins also expanded by 600 basis points. So the growth was seen in the Indian markets, and also the Australian market did show a revenue growth of 8%. Back to you.
Sharad, thanks very much for that. So those are the Fab 4 stocks that you need to keep in track.